In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Shopify using the Notify Me app. Whether you're launching a new product or simply managing your inventory, setting up pre-orders can significantly enhance your customer experience by allowing them to reserve products that are not yet in stock. Let's dive in and simplify this process for you. First, you want to start by visiting the Shopify App Store to find the Notify Me. Back in Stockout Pre-order app, which is designed specifically for pre-order management and wish lists. Once you find the app, click on it to open its main page. Here you'll be able to see all the features and read reviews, ensuring it's a good fit for your online store's needs. After you're satisfied with the details on the app, you'll need to open it by clicking the Open button. This step is straightforward but essential, as it directs you into the setup and integration process, linking seamlessly with your Shopify store. Opening the app initiates the connection between your store and the Notify Me app, ensuring that all future pre-orders are managed efficiently. Next, you'll notice a highlighted option. Simply click on this highlight. This may take you through any specific details or additional features that may stand out in the Notify Me app, guiding you to make the best use of all its functionalities. This step is crucial as it might include shiny tips or highlighted features that make navigating any subsequent steps more intuitive. Following the highlight, you'll proceed by clicking on Continue. This part of the process is about moving through the initial setup phases. Clicking Continue will assist you in reaching the critical sections of the app where configurations and settings will become more personalized for your business. You'll then continue this step by clicking through another Continue prompt. This ensures that you're accepting any terms and moving along in the setup. It's about reinforcing the actions you've taken and advancing through the steps to reach the final stages without missing anything. Once all of the preliminaries are out of the way, you'll encounter the Activate Now button. Clicking Activate Now is perhaps the most exhilarating part of the entire process. This is where the app officially swings into action, enabling pre-orders on your store. It's essential to make sure that everything is set up perfectly before activation to streamline the process for both you and your customers. And that brings us to the end of setting up pre-orders using Notify Me on your Shopify store. Remember, pre-orders can provide a significant boost to your store's sales and customer engagement, allowing them to secure their desired products ahead of time. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and I hope your pre-order journey on Shopify is a successful one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy selling?